in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Hi guys, we are going to the swimming pool. Daddy's gonna be with me. So this is my routine, my swimming routine. We're gonna be going now to swim. Every morning I brush, and then Milo, and then I change my clothes, and then I come to the swimming pool. Let's go.
Yeah, it's a sunny day.
Yeah, today was a sunny day.
Come on, give 50 laps. 50 laps. Ryan is enjoying swimming, slowly getting into the routine. I wanted to get some weights also. I want to start my weight training also, and I'm gonna start my training. Started already, but it's not a full-fledged, and then I'm going to do full-fledged. And Ryan wanted to read some books. We need to find a library right now. Maybe today or tomorrow we'll go and check it out somewhere near. Quite humid today, hot. And he's keep asking, why I daddy like that? It's hot and the same time raining. Because almost every day is raining. This weather is new for him. Come on, Ryan, it's okay, go. I'm counting laps, go. He's counting the laps. I'm counting your laps, go. I'll tell you later. Oi, done?
Yes, done.
Looks, he seems tired.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home, get ready, and we can have lunch.
Yeah, I wonder what Mom is gonna make for lunch.
I think she's cooking something. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Tayo ng chicken curry, guys. So, lagyan natin ng konting turmeric powder and chili powder. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-fry lang ako ng green chilies and onions. Lagay natin ang ating chicken. Nakahanap na kami ng skinless talaga. First time ko magluto ng chicken curry, guys, dito sa Pilipinas. And hopefully, it's a success. Kasi miss namin ni Daddy Rami yung chicken curry. So far, yung aming niluluto pa lang ay mga vegetables. Gawa naman ako ng non-veg masala, guys, para may stock tayo, mabilis na lang makaluto ng chicken curry, prawn curry, ganun. Ang aking problema ay na-reformat ang aking cellphone nung dumating kami sa Pilipinas, kasi nga may mga app na gusto kong i-download pero hindi available sa India na App Store, so kailangan kong i-change to Philippines na Apple Store. Nawala lahat ng aking pictures. Meron naman akong copy sa Google Photos, pero kailangan ko pang hanapin, guys. Kasi hindi gaya ng nasa iPhone mo na nakaseparate na yung favorites, mga recipe, ganun. Nawala talaga sa isip ko. So, based sa aking sinulat dito guys, na hindi ko pa rin talaga memorize. Ang tagal ko nang ginagawa ito. 3 whole garlic and then thumb size ginger. Okay na yun, malalaki naman garlic dito. Next naman ang cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons. And then coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon. And then poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon. Para sa pangmaramihan na ito guys, ito lang siguro ang month. Pwede mo kasi siyang ilagay lang sa ref. And then cloves. Konting tubig, then let's grind. Kakayanin kaya ng ating grinder guys. Iba ang grinder dito, tapos konti lang siya. Ayan, moment of truth. Okay naman siya guys. Usually, ang ginagawa ko, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng mga ganito. Almost 1 tablespoon. Then ito, ilalagay ko na sa fridge. Naglagay na ako ng salt dito kanina. Hintayin lang natin na ano yung tubig. Then, okay na. Perfect ang ating chicken curry. How is it?
Perfectly alright.
Husband approved?
Thank you.
That's good.
We didn't miss chicken curry anymore.
Yes.
It's good. Delicious.
Approve.
Yes. I want you to cook for me one day liver.
Okay. Liver curry?
Fry, like fry.
Careful, Nana. It's hot, huh?
Really cut the chicken how you want.
Yeah. In SM Lanang. Was it ano? Maybe we should put more onion. Seems like less gravy. Tipid-tipid sa onion. Onion is expensive. Approve, Ryan? Ryan approve?
Yeah.
My chicken curry?
Perfect.
Yeah, 100%.
Thank you guys.
Your mom is good cook. The Indian food only, not the Filipino.
What do you mean?
She cook Indian food better than Filipino food, I think.
It's because you never tasted her Filipino food. You only taste Indian food.
You got a point, Ryan.
How could you know her Indian food?
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Ito naman kami guys sa Bureau of Immigration. Dito lang sa Bahada. It's around 25 minutes away. Gusto namin i-check kung ano yung process ng visa extension ni Ram at saka ni Ryan. Nagdala kami ng mga documents pero hindi kami sure kung ano nga yung required nila. May time pa naman kami pero gusto lang namin manigurado para at least prepared, diba? Andito na kami guys sa Victoria Plaza. And dito daw yung immigration. Akala ko hindi kasi sa Google iba naman yung nakalagay na building. So paikot-ikot kami dito. Now let's look for parking.
Come on, let's go.
The documents, don't forget.
Yep.
Ryan, ready?
Yeah,
You wore your slippers already? Kasi ang habit ni Ryan, maghuhubad agad ng tsinelas. Mall, right? Ano tong mahabang pila? Ito ba ang immigration? Healthcare card. Nasaan na? Dito pala. Bureau of Immigration. Fill up na kami ng information. Ryan and Danira. Ito pala ang office nila. Natapos din kami doon guys. Na-renew din ang visa ni Daddy Ram at saka ni Ryan. Hindi namin in-expect na ma-renew agad. Today, ora mismo. 2 months, no headache. At least 2 buwan yung aming na-extend. Pero sabi nung cashier, since naman kami, mag-asawa kami ni Daddy Ram, pwede sana 6 months. Pero kasi yung isang officer sabi naman 2 months lang daw muna ang pwede. So hindi namin alam kung sino ang aming paniniwalaan. Pero okay na din, at least may 2 months. And then sabi din nila pwede nang mag-apply ng TRV dito sa Davao. Hindi na kailangan pumunta sa Manila pa. Which is good thing naman. May plano kami talagang magliwaliw sa Manila, pero main purpose sana nun ay ang mag-apply ng TRV. Pero ngayon hindi na kailangan pumunta doon, pero pupunta pa rin kami. Di pa sure kailan, we'll see. May i-check kami na bahay guys. Bahay siya, hindi condo, so parang nasa isang subdivision. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Nice, right, Daddy?
Yes.
2.
From there is Aruba.
Pero nag-iikot-ikot pa kami, guys. Hindi namin mahanap ang bahay. Let's wait for that.
Nandito mo nagpuyo din sa ilaha?
Sa India.
Sa India.
Yeah.
Sa Pikas Suga.
Oh, okay.
Pero if ever naman ay mag-rent, nabutangan na lang ako doon.
It's near Santa Lucia Mall. There are a lot of other communities here also, Daddy.
This one also there.
Oh, yeah. Madami dito. Hindi masyadong bet ni Daddy Ram ang bahay. So, hanap tayo ulit. Punta kami dito guys sa Ola, Davao's best halo-halo. Gustong i-try ni Daddy Ram.
I wanna check this halo-halo.
They said Davao's best halo-halo. They have best seller. French fries, spaghetti, coffee con yellow, mais con yellow. Order na si Daddy Ram. Very purple. We got surprise for you, Ryan. Are you excited? Wait until the food comes, then you'll know what is the surprise.
Please tell me.
Sleepy? Look at him. Sleepy and hungry. That's a surprise. Huh? This one is a surprise.
Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy.
See how it is from here.
It's good. It's hot. Later, you eat that spaghetti first. It's super hot, this one. Oh my god. How's it, Nana?
So nice.
We already removed the banana. Uy, how about me?
Not only banana, this is like
What is it? Avocado. It's like eat first the avocado and you told them not to put banana and we forgot again. It's okay.
The hot dog standard is my favorite.
Is it? Si Ryan guys, gusto lang niya ng either yan, pure na halo-halo lang, walang sahog, or gusto niya ng mango. Yun lang. Ayaw niya nito yung other na mga ingredients. I think mango is finished na. Sorry. Yeah, this one. Pinatanggalan ko ito ng avocado and blanca. Kasi
I just
may
tasted
allergy ako.
avocado.
Ha?
I tasted a little avocado and it's not taste good.
How is it, Daddy? The best? This is number one? Better than inasal and
Jack's Ridge.
no, each,
Jack's Ridge?
each they have their own style.
but this is a lot of ingredients.
Not much else.
Right? Very creamy.
Very creamy.
Nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Kanina pa actually. Si Daddy Ram, pagdating namin kanina, natulog na agad. Pagod na pagod, lolo nyo. Tapos si Ryan andon, naglalaro lang. Ganito yung nangyari sa immigration kanina, guys. Nakakaloka, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang main reason na nagpunta kami doon ay para mag-inquire lang sa renewal or extension ng visa ni Ryan at saka ni Daddy Ram. Then, pagdating namin doon, ang sabi nila, pwede na daw siyang i-extend ura-urada. So, binigyan nila kami ng form. And then, after na nag-fill up kami ng form, yung passport ni Daddy Ram at saka yung form, binigay namin sa kanila. Then, nang hingi kung mayroon ba kaming report of marriage at saka report of birth nila yan. So, of course, meron kami. Sabi nila kailangan i-photocopy and then yung pages din ng passport kailangan i-photocopy. Pagkatapos, nung submit na kami, sabi nung parang trainee doon, siya kasi yung nag-assist sa amin eh. Sabi niya, ang pwede lang daw nilang ibigay sa amin ay 2 months na extension kasi may option 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months. Eh, ang finill up namin 6 months para less hassle, diba? Hindi na kailangan renew guys. Pero ang sabi nga niya sa amin, ang pwede nilang ibigay sa amin is 2 months lang. So, sabi, okay. At least, hindi 1 month, diba? Maka 2 months man lang sa atin, less hassle na. Then, nagpunta kami sa cashier. Nung nakita ng cashier yung application namin, sabi ng cashier, bakit 2 months lang to? Pwede naman kayong 6 months eh. Mag-asawa naman kayo, diba? Tsaka may proper documents na to. Ano kami, ano ba yan? Tapos, nagtanong kami magkano ang renewal pag 6 months nga. Sabi niya, parang nasa 7,000 each. Then, tapos, nung pinabayad na niya kami, nabayaran namin, 17,000 for 2 months na renewal. Si Ram at saka si Ryan, ang nabayaran namin 17,000 guys. Kasi may kasali daw ding ACR, yung parang ID ng mga foreigners. Pero hindi naman kasi masyadong mahal yun, di ba? Kung kumuha kami ng 6 months, almost same lang din yung babayaran namin. Nakakainis talaga. Pero, wala tayong magagawa. Pero meron ngang good news na pwede na kaming makakuha ng TRV dito sa Davao lang. Hindi na kailangan pumunta ng Manila pa. Ay, nagtanong ako kung magkano ang TRV visa for the first year daw. Parang probation pa lang yun. 11,000 each. And then, pag gusto mong kumuha ng 5 years na TRV, ano naman, 30,000. Pero at least, di ba, wala ka nang iisipin for 5 years. So, yun yung naging proseso ng ating, guys, pag-extend ng visa. So, kung gusto niyo mag-extend ng visa, be prepared kayo para hindi kayo na pagdating doon ang babayaran nyo 17,000. Ay, nako, nakakaloka. Pero at least, may 2 months tayo na wala tayong iisipin na mag-renew na naman next month, ganun, diba? Ang talaga namin, goal namin is magka-TRV muna si Daddy Ram at saka si Ryan. Nanonood ako ng video namin kahapon, guys. Tapos, ang komento ni Daddy Ram, today, kumain na naman ako ng halo-halo. Halo-halo pa more. Kung pwede, everyday halo-halo. Halo-halo. Kung pwede. Say, kung pwede.
Kung pwede?
Yes. Kung pwede, halo-halo.
Kung pwede, halo-halo.
Araw-araw.
Araw-araw?
Yeah. Shout out time.
That's all for today. Shout out time.
Happy time as well.
Yeah.
Shout out to Lulu Rivera, Nora Jardin, Myra Humilde.
And my shout out to Kaboj Group, Christine S. Judo, Villamor Escalo, and Eddie Rudayo.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.